Ensemno eso na Ghana ban enhyehyeye bi a wode eba ye ananka wode beboa amaye nuanom a womo ewo Zongo mpuntu akoho ene Zongo Development Fund senti wote saa bia yi eboa ye pa ema sese mpuntu nyuma ahyase na ankorankora no nyumaku awodo nso eye wonde ede eboa enu adwumede bi koso ewo enkran dwumede na se ena enka ne CEO ya no da Stanbic Bank ano Alhassan and Dani editu just say mpuntu pa beko Zongo awodo emu a ewo se wo mo ehye se abefo ntentan technology no otimi ema mabuno yi esua no osua ne ye na odi kuaye nso etimi eka ho enhyemu a Maxwell Investment Group ye no wode twa omanfo adwene esi ekwan obefa so ama won sikasem atota yie oni Zongo Development Fund ena ekabo mu a edi Zongo ahemfo eni mpanimfo a oni Zongo mabunu no edi nkita ho eba behie mu dwumedi na se ena enka ne CEO ya wada Stanbic Bank ano Hassan and Dani editu hwese ade ba ko wo so manfo ewo Zongo etimi mu ani ko ho pa eye kuaye ene technology esanse eno ene beboa na wo hwese de ewiase nyina edane e wa ba fo kwan so a emu behia se wo mo nso ebetimi edi ho dwuma.
You go to the Zongo community, these people with very minimal education and navigate any electronic portal. We only need to give them organized technology halls, call it an organized technology hall, so that we can guide their creativity. Most of them program and have very little idea what programming is about. So if there's really any initiative that can make our youth leapfrog poverty, it is harnessing and properly tooling and guiding them into ICT.
Penimpa wada Maxwell Investment Group ano Ora Maxwell Ampong echerechere sentia oni Zongo Development Fund and afi na nanama info weti fedumantemu akabo mu wode sa adwumedie ehyehyɛ so.
Zongo and inner cities no, they are represented in 275 constituencies. Ghana bibi obeko bia ho. It's just that medami team as e Maxwell Investment Group say you two and among ye from e catch say ye pese no mo didi. How do you say correspondence? You person no have a correspondence. Oman Daniel Mechi Omaba in the numbers and in the capacity in which they have. I am extremely honored and humbled by that.
The Krakrana Presidential Coordinator, ya wada Zongo and Inner City Development Secretariat ano Ura Ben Abdallah Banda, echrechere ene mapebia MIG aye ediabwa emebune wo Zongo. Osanso etu mebune info se wonfa won ho enhye kuaye emu.
Eni padoma ewie universities Ghana ha afibia ye dosu and canin and ye just 3 universities and they were private universities bebrebe it's how aban universities bebrebe and afibiano graduates here a channel out from this universities no and dosu ti aban kwantimi nti soya beans bamboo maize and millet ne yade a yenya ho market ewo amanoni a yafa Maxwell MIG Investment Group ho obi bia o pese okomu no it sounds a ready market wo ho minute no o de ba ye beto